Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious green beans step by step. First, let's get those beans ready. You'll want to wash them well under cold water to remove any dirt. Then, simply snap or cut off the stem ends. We're aiming for perfectly prepped beans ready for cooking. Gather your olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper, and you're all set for the next stage. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once shimmering, toss in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let that cook for about 1 minute until fragrant, but don't let it brown. Then, add your prepped green beans to the pan. Give them a good toss to ensure they are all coated in that flavorful oil and garlic.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly. You can find the link and other amazing deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
It's time to season our green beans to perfection. Sprinkle in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of black pepper. Continue to sauté, stirring occasionally for 5 to 7 minutes. You're looking for them to be tender crisp, still having a slight bite. Once they reach that perfect texture, remove them from the heat. Serve your flavorful green beans immediately and enjoy. If you prefer a lighter touch, steaming is a fantastic alternative. Place a steamer basket into a pot, ensuring about 1 inch of water is below the basket. Bring that water to a boil, then carefully add your green beans to the basket. Cover the pot and let them steam for 3 to 5 minutes. They'll be perfectly tender and vibrant, ready for your favorite seasonings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.